Imagine buying a brand new M5 Mac Mini, unboxing it, placing it on your desk, then realizing you're only using 20% of what it can actually do. Most people treat it like a normal computer for browsing YouTube and emails, but this tiny box can quietly become the most powerful, money-making, time-saving machine in your entire home, especially if you're targeting a US audience. And you didn't just buy a computer, you bought a studio, an office, a content factory, and a side hustle machine, all in one silent little box. And yet most people will never scratch the surface of what it can do. So instead of thinking of your Mac Mini as just a computer I use, start seeing it as the control center of my life and work, where you sit down, press one key, and your Mac wakes. Your lights adjust, your focus playlist starts, your task list opens, and every tool you need to work or create is ready before you even touch the mouse. And the real power begins when you turn it into a dedicated work and creation machine with fewer distractions, where you're not doom scrolling, but creating, editing, designing, writing, coding, or brainstorming. Because your brain behaves differently at a desk than with a phone in your hand, and that's where the M5 Mac Mini becomes a perfect, faceless YouTube engine. You sit down, open your script, record a voiceover with a basic USB mic, drop it into your editor, add copyright-free stock clips, images, and simple graphics. Edit in Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, or Premiere. Export in 4K and upload to YouTube. No camera, no studio, no lights, just a Mac Mini and a plan. And the M5 chip doesn't complain or lag like old laptops. It chews through rendering so you can publish more and focus on content instead of loading bars. And if you're targeting US viewers, that's even more powerful, because US audiences bring higher ad revenue. So even a small, consistent channel can become a solid income stream over time, all fueled by that small box on your desk and beyond YouTube. Your Mac Mini can become your freelance studio where us clients don't care what your setup looks like. You only care whether the work is good, on time, and reliable. And the Mac Mini's stability and power make that easy, because it sits there ready with no battery worries, no overheating, and almost no fan noise. So you can offer video editing for YouTubers, B-roll cutting, voiceover cleanup, thumbnail, design, social media reels, shorts, and podcast editing for US coaches, creators, and agencies. And one solid client can pay for your Mac Mini in a month or two, after which everything you earn from it is profit and beyond money. You can turn it into your personal focus zone in a world full of distraction by placing it in a specific spot and using it only for intentional work content, learning, building, creating with no random Instagram scrolling or endless Twitter tabs, training your brain that when you sit at that desk, this is where you build your future, using it to learn high-income skills, follow full online courses, build your portfolio, and map out your life and business. And because the Mac Mini is not portable, you avoid half-focused couch sessions and instead build a clear on here, off their mental boundary that boosts consistency. While the efficiency of the M5 Mac Mini is small, cool, quiet, and power efficient compared to big, loud PCs means, you can render long videos, sync huge files, and run uploads overnight without a hot, noisy machine next to you. It's making it ideal for quietly building a faceless YouTube channel where viewers don't need your face to trust you. They just need a clear voice, a helpful or entertaining message, clean visuals and consistency, and your Mac Mini helps you batch record voiceovers, batch edit multiple videos, and schedule a week of uploads in one evening. So imagine posting one good faceless video every week for a year, 52 videos, and 52 chances for one to take off. 52 opportunities for US viewers to find you and open doors to ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate income, and digital products, while also turning your Mac Mini into a learning center for marketing, business, editing, design, long-form education, notes, and systems for your finances. Schedule and goals, slowly building momentum every time you sit at the same place with the same purpose. And because the Mac Mini is perfect for building in silence with no flashy RGB, no bulky tower, and no dramatic studio, you can quietly build a YouTube channel, freelancing business, digital products, or an audience without ever showing your face. And later, when people ask what camera or studio you use, you can honestly say it's just a Mac Mini on a desk. Because the real power is that consistency beats novelty. One reliable base machine removes tech anxiety about crashes and slow 4K timelines, giving you the confidence to take on bigger projects, post more, accept better clients, and commit to long-term ideas without worrying about the tool. And ultimately, what you do with your M5 Mac Mini falls into two paths. It either becomes just another casual device, or becomes the backbone of the life you're trying to build. The difference isn't the chip, RAM, or storage. It's your decision to use it to watch other people live your dream, or to quietly start building your own, to scroll TikTok on your phone while your Mac gathers dust, or to sit down. Open your editor and upload the video someone out there is waiting to see. Because your next client, subscriber, or opportunity won't ask what computer you used. They'll ask to see your work, your videos, podcast, or portfolio, and almost everything they'll see can be created on that one small silver box. So, the real question is, what are you going to build with? Will you start that faceless, US-focused YouTube channel? Build a portfolio that attracts US clients, or learn skills that actually change your income? Because the hardware part is done, the tools and online opportunity are real, especially with a US audience, and the only thing left is what you decide to do the next time you press that power button. Choosing between consuming or creating, distraction or focus, staying where you are, or quietly building something that could change your life over the next few years. With that M5 Mac Mini ready, waiting, and powerful enough to support every step, and this is where everything comes together. That small M5 Mac Mini on your desk is not just a piece of tech, it's a test. A quiet, daily test of what you really want from your life. You already know it has more than enough power to edit 4K video, record clean audio, handle faceless YouTube channels, manage client projects, and run every tool you need to create, learn, and earn online. The gap now is no longer specs or features. The gap is between what this machine can do and what you decide to do with it. Every time that tiny light turns on, you're making a choice. Do you use it to consume what others made, or do you use it to build something of your own? Think about what's actually possible if you commit to using this one device with intention. One focused hour a day spent scripting, recording voiceovers, editing videos, or improving your skills adds up to 365 hours in a year. That's not playing around with a computer. That's a full-time month of effort invested into your future. In that time, you can launch a faceless YouTube channel targeting US viewers, upload dozens of videos, test topics, refine your style, and start tapping into some of the highest-paying ad markets in the world. You can use the same Mac to take on your first US client, then a second, then a third, editing short-form content, thumbnails, podcasts, promos, reels, or simple, explicable videos, each one sharpening your skills and strengthening your portfolio. Suddenly, this little box isn't just a Mac. It's the engine behind your first real online income. But there's an even deeper layer. Discipline. The M5 Mac Mini can become your no-nonsense zone if you let it. You can decide that when you sit in that chair and your hand touches that keyboard, you are in builder mode, not consumer mode. No random scrolling, no mindless tab hopping, just clear actions. Write, record, edit, upload, learn, deliver. Over time, your brain will start to connect that environment with productivity. You won't need motivation every day because the habit and the place will carry you. That's the real advantage people don't talk about. Not only is the Mac Mini strong enough to run your workflows, it's stable enough to become the foundation of your routine. It doesn't move. It doesn't travel. It waits for you in the same spot, like a silent accountability partner. The M5 Mac Mini gives you power, silence, and stability. The internet gives you access to US audiences, US clients, and unlimited knowledge. The only missing piece is consistent action. So the conclusion is simple, but serious. Stop waiting for someday. Treat this Mac Mini as the starting line, not the finish line. Turn it into your studio, your classroom, your office, and your factory for ideas. Use it to move from consumer to creator, from stuck to in motion, from watching to doing. Because in a year or two, when someone asks how you started, you'll be able to tell them the truth. It all began with a small silver box on a desk. And a decision to finally use it like it was worth more than its price tag, like it was the engine of the life you were ready to build,